Hi everyone, Annette Kessler here. Welcome back to my channel, and today I want to do the Daisy journal flip through. So many of you have asked to see what's inside and how I finished it, and I promised I will do a flip through, so here it is. So you can go back to see how I made the cover from the pieces of leftover papers that I have. I added some daisies and some fabric here with a little bit of glitter to the front, and I didn't really embellish it any further. We have the ribbon here. So I secured the ribbon with a large daisy here as well. So I added a pocket here, and I used some more leftovers that I had to make this little accordion. And I tried to, during the journal, I tried to add some fabric as well to the pages. Here we have a little paper clip. And I also left a lot of room for journaling, and if you want to add photos, if you want to mix and match, just so it will be, give respect to the pages and to the journal itself. Here you have the pocket. This came out of, this can be wherever you want. All the tags you can remove and change their location, their place. This is a corner pocket with the little accordion book, tag book that we made during one of the videos. You have all the links to everything in the description under the video, so you can go ahead and make it. Here is the belly band with the little booklet and the paper clip. We made a few paper clips here, and here you have your little twine and some fabric. This is a flap, opens up like that to the top, and you have a lot of room for journaling. This is sort of a pocket little belly band thing. You can have another envelope here, little envelope. You have that, all of that is in the ephemera kit. Fresh as a daisy. And this is the center of the first signature. I decided to add little dingly danglies to the edge of the binding threads, binding twines. So I just circle punched and add some cut daisy here. A tag with, this is a hidden paper clip, so you have it on this side and then you have it on this side as well. Here I added this, it comes out. I added this cluster, and then you have the envelope here. This is again from the ephemera kit. Here I added a sort of a closure with a magnet. There is a magnet under the flowers, then it opens up like this. This is from the tags in the ephemera kit, and it closes. The magnet is hidden under here between the pages. This is a belly band again. Another pocket. I try to add a little bit of glitter here to some of the pages. This is the end of the first signature. This is the beginning of the second signature. So this part I really like. It has all the 3 pockets. Each pocket has a little booklet inside, and it is this, we learned this flap in the flap tutorial. You can go ahead and it will be in the description under the video, the link. So you have 3 booklets and 3 pockets, and it flaps like this. I really like that. This is just an empty page in terms of mechanisms. Just wanted to, I like the pattern, so I just left it like this. Here you have another tag with a pocket, some fabric, another hidden paper clip that is both sides. This is the center of the second signature with the pockets. Here you have another booklet that I made from some tea and coffee dye papers. And here again I added some flowers and some punched circle, which I glued, folded and glued. So I really like that the threads have that little dingly dangly on the edge. Oops. So I really like this pocket here. It is basically with vellum, and it is connected with the large daisies. This is another pocket flap. This is a pocket here. The flap has, again, another folding tag in it. So this is a pocket flap. Another pocket here with this beautiful ribbon. This is a side pocket with another booklet, this time with an accordion. This is like a really cool cover with the vellum. This is another flap that we did. And inside it can be another pocket, by the way, if you want. Another pocket here. This is the end of the second signature, and this is the beginning of the third one, the last signature. This is just a plain, this entire signature, the last signature we did in one of the tutorials. You can go ahead and look at it. I really like this, again, vellum pocket with the little notepad here with the daisies on top. Again, another page, another paper with a large tag, and this is a double pocket here. It's like a hidden pocket that you can't see unless you put something in it, so it's really cool. This is the large envelope with the letter paper. This is one of the paper perks. There are a few paper perks here with the daisies that you can grab. Again, there is a link to all the tutorials, and in the tutorials you'll have the paper perks. And here you have the double pocket with the little opening tag. And this is the, again, middle of the signature with those little dingly danglies that I made with punched circles. Another tuck spot. This is another paper clip. So you have 2 tags here to tuck under there. These 2 opening tags. Again, this is a double pocket. This is another envelope with clip, another paper clip envelope. And some more tags with the side pocket, this time facing this side. And really like this vellum envelope. Goes in the pocket here with a little fabric and a daisy. And then on the inside back cover you have another vellum pocket. So of course you can keep on adding any other extra embellishments, ephemera, have writings, photos, whatever you want. I really like how this journal came out. I hope you liked it too. And next we're going to make a Christmas journal. I'm working on the papers as we speak, so you can look for that coming up in the next few weeks. Thank you very much for joining me. Go ahead and grab the ephemera kit, the daisy ephemera kit, and the daisy papers. You have background papers there, you have pattern papers, everything you need to make this journal. So thank you very much for joining me. I really hope you like this journal. I will see you next time.